How to stop snaps from saving to your camera roll. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can stop snaps from saving into your camera roll. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First of all, open up your Snapchat and make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what you'll need to do is tap on a Bitmoji on the top left. After you do that, you can then go to your settings on the top right. After you're on the settings, you will then need to search for memories. So scroll down, there is memories, open it up. Now under memories, you will find save destinations. So under save button, here make sure that only memories are selected and not memories and camera roll or camera roll. Choosing either one of these two will save your snaps to your camera roll. So simply select memories, and now whenever you save your snaps, it will only get saved to your memories and not to your camera roll. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.